Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to use the green screen and chroma key effects in HitPaw Edimakor. Whether you're making reaction videos, gameplays, or creative edits, this tool makes it super easy, so let's dive in. First, open the HitPaw Edimakor and start a new project. Import the both of your green screen clip and your background image or video by dragging them into the media library. Then drag the background video image into the main track. Then click on the green screen clip into the timeline to select it. Head to the video properties panel on the right, then find the chroma key option and turn it on. You can use the eyedropper tool to select the green color on your video, then adjust the tolerance, edge thickness, and feathering sliders to clean the edges and make your subject blend naturally. Then play your video back and preview the window and check how it looks. If needed, reposition or resize your subject to fit the scenes. And once you're happy with everything, hit or click the export. Then choose your settings and hit the export again to save your video. And please note that this feature is only available to HitPaw Edimakor upgraded version. You need to buy the upgraded version first in order to use this feature. And that's it. You've just created a clean green screen effect using the HitPaw Edimakor. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.